Will AI agents replace human agents in call centers? It's a question we've all heard before, and for some, it sparks excitement, while for others, fear. But here's the real question. Can AI truly replicate the human touch that customers demand? Stick around because we're diving into the future of call centers, and the truth might surprise you. Let's face it, call centers are at a crossroads. Attrition rates are through the roof, with some reaching over 100% annually. Remote work has created more opportunities for agents, but also more challenges for keeping them engaged. And the younger generation? Well, they demand purpose, flexibility, and instant gratification from their jobs, leaving many businesses scrambling to adapt. Enter AI virtual agents, the shiny new solution, promising 24/7 availability, faster response times, and no turnover. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the catch. Like any tool, it has its limits. Before we declare AI the king of call centers, let's break down the pros, the cons, and the realities of replacing human agents with machines. Here's the question every call center leader needs to ask. Can AI solve your biggest pain points, or will it create new ones? First, let's talk about why AI seems like the ultimate solutions for call centers. 24/7 availability. AI doesn't sleep, take breaks, or call in sick. It's always on, ready to handle customer inquiries at any hour. Speed and efficiency. AI can instantly answer common questions, reducing wait times and freeing up your team to handle more complex issues. Cost savings. Over time, implementing AI can lower operational costs, especially in high-volume environments. And let's not forget, AI doesn't have bad days or need conflict mediation after a disagreement over whose turn it was to bring in snacks to the break room. No labor disputes, no concerns about political correctness, and no awkward HR meetings about tone. AI just gets the job done. But as convenient as it sounds, here's the thing, AI isn't perfect. Let's talk about where it falls short. AI might be fast, but can it really replace the empathy and understanding that only a human can provide? Let's take a look at the other side of the equation. The human touch. Customers often reach out to call centers when they're frustrated, confused, or upset. And while AI can process data, it can't replicate the empathy or creativity needed to de-escalate a tense situation. Complex issues. AI is great for FAQs and repetitive tasks, but when conversations require nuance or problem solving, it falls short, leaving customers frustrated and even less satisfied. And then of course there's the cost barriers. While AI promises long-term savings, the upfront cost of implementation, training, and integration into existing systems can be enormous. For smaller call centers, it may not be financially viable at all. Government regulations and compliance. Here's a factor many don't consider. What if government regulations intervene? AI's rapid adoption is already raising questions about data privacy, ethical use, and job displacement. While there aren't sweeping laws yet, it's possible that new policies could increase the cost or slow down AI adoption in heavily regulated industries like healthcare or finance. So what's the verdict? Is AI the solution to all of your problems, or just a piece of the puzzle? The answer isn't black and white. It's a blend of both. Here's where the magic happens. The best call centers of the future will embrace a hybrid model. Let AI handle the repetitive, high-volume tasks like answering frequently asked questions or processing simple requests. But keep human agents at the heart of your operation, focusing on complex issues, building customer relationships, and delivering the empathy that technology can't replicate. This approach not only reduces costs, but also improves the customer experience, while giving your team more time to focus on meaningful, rewarding work. Here's the thing, AI is advancing faster than any technology we've seen before. In fact, experts say that AI capabilities are doubling every 6 to 12 months. No one truly knows what the future holds, but it's safe to assume that someday AI will even embody the empathy and creativity that only humans have today. Until that day comes though, the question isn't if AI will take over, it's how we can build a system that works for both technology and people right now. The truth is, the future of AI is exciting, but it's also uncertain. What we do know is that no matter how advanced technology gets, your people will always be your greatest differentiator. That's why winning call centers of today invest in their teams, keeping them engaged, motivated, and empowered. Tools like ZIZO bridge that gap, making work more rewarding and performance more measurable, while giving your people the tools to thrive in a world where AI is just one part of the equation. Let's face it, the challenge of attrition, disengagement, and the complexities of managing a remote workforce aren't going away overnight. Today's challenges require more than quick fixes, but by investing in your people now, you're building the foundation for a stronger, more resilient, and adaptable future. So are you ready to create that future? Call us today and let's create a winning strategy together. Because when you invest in your people, your business wins. And at ZIZO, we're here to make sure that everybody wins. Your employees, your customers, and most importantly, your bottom line. It's game time. And when you're with ZIZO, everybody wins.